Good morning, good evening, good afternoon once again, guys. How are you doing from wherever place you are? I'm Chacha Steve, that's my YouTube channel name. Hope you are doing great and you are doing fine from wherever place you are, guys. So it's another fine morning and I appreciate the gift of life from our Father Lord. It's long since we posted, guys. Yeah, things are not doing that good, but we thank God still we are alive. We have to continue moving, guys, but don't worry, we are great. So it's a very nice morning. The sun is shining. It's over there, guys, you can see it. Yeah, and right here is our beautiful home. I'm just out of the compound and you can see me fully dressed and the bag on my back. So I'm traveling to somewhere and I think you're gonna join me in this travel video today, at least to help one of our family members to do 1, 2, 3 thing, and I think it's gonna be great, and I'll reveal the family member at a time, yeah, where I will be heading, guys. So otherwise, how is everything from wherever place you are? How is everything in the internet? You know everything that it's happening, 1, 2, 3 over there, but we thank God we are still alive and we are still moving. Everything must move the way it's moving, guys. So that's life. We appreciate God for giving us that time and for everything that it's happening, guys. Yeah, so this is a travel video for the new subscribers, whoever is coming across this YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, also share the video, hit the notification bell. Once I post the videos, you receive them and watch. Today's on a Monday here from Africa. How is your place? Here it's very sunny. Yeah, some cassavas are here doing very great. You see? Yeah, you can see right now, guys, at our places here, it's very dry and no cultivation is being done right now because it's very sunny. You see, guys, so during sunny season we do prepare for what? For the next planting. Actually, everybody right now is preparing for the planting of maize and so on, guys. So it's like a leaf, it's like summer to our places right now. We know in the United States, in the American places, they are receiving summer period after a long winter period. Yeah, so that's how it is. Also to us it's a long-term season, long-term sunny season. Yeah, otherwise everybody at our home is very great. My sons, my sisters, and also my mom is doing very well, guys. I don't know from your side. Actually, it's gonna be a pleasure to know also how you are doing from the other side of the world. Yeah, so accompany me, join me to this beautiful video today, to my final destination, actually to help one of our family members at least achieve education and everything, guys. Yeah, let me just say it, achieve education and everything. Somebody whom have been with us for a very long time, and you know, sometimes the elder people, we have to chip in and assist them and also help our parents some sections that they don't understand very well, so that we go and help them. Yeah, because we are at the place, we understand the situations how they are. So the first people are the people who usually do what? Go and help. So that's how things are. Alright, so that is it, guys. So accompany me to this journey, at least we see the nature of Africa, how it's looking like, and the nature of our places how they are, and the nature of our journey, actually how Kenya is beautiful, guys. So thank you, welcome. And before I cut this clip, you can see there is a land here. So there is tobacco plantation over here. This is how the process usually starts. I don't know whether you can see it from a distance. The greenish part of things you are seeing, that's tobacco plant. They have been planted right now. So that's how usually the process starts until it reaches maturity. Let me just go close through this end. You can see. Yoteo. Warai. So that's how it is, guys. You see? The creepum kumu kihano. Pantaba ma kiabari kumatiri kumibu. Kato kuma ndiri. Kuma ni video. Tukui mahango goyo moyori. Irozi.
Ani iganto antemira. Ya ni wanja.
Tu ikire hanyi no ni ngotemera kusinu ikire hanyi.
Mana yo imperabe.
Ye maro acho ima ko matanda. Lakini wanko varongo. The mother is curious. She never knew that I was recording, so she's curious, asking me why I have just recorded her. But he's one of our grandma. Okay, I just call her like a grandma because she's the age of some of my grandmothers. Yeah, so that's how it is, guys. So keep tuned for more to come.
Imagine it's already 10:33. Kwani imetumwa? Monday kweli kama Friday. Kama Friday. Wacha tulipe bills tukirudi tunazama straight pale kwenye nyumba.
Hello once again guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. I'm also fine from this side of Africa. Yeah, it's another good day, guys. Actually, this is a continuation of a video that I had doing. So firstly, before I continue, let me introduce my mpoa. The ever smiley lady.
Yeah, Justin Steve is my YouTube channel name, and consider subscribing and watching to our videos. Actually, it has been a while, but we thank God because we are live, and we appreciate for everything. Yeah, thank you, Chacha Steve, for hosting me on your channel, and Chacha Steve subscribers, thank you so much for always being there for Chacha Steve. Let God bless you.
Here we are, guys. So actually this is a continuation of the video. I did a travel clips. Yeah, I was traveling to somewhere in Kisii. Actually it was for one of our family members. Yes, yeah, our sister-in-law Happiness was supposed to go to school, so we had to go and see accommodation for her. So some other things you couldn't film in camera because of privacy reasons, and you know she's a student and she's far away. So that's the reason. Regardless of whatever is going online, somebody might take over advantage of it. Yeah, so that's the reason I did just a travel video when as I was seeking for the house, looking for the house where she's going to stay. I couldn't film, and I couldn't film wherever she. So I went on Monday. I came back on Tuesday. Yeah, I slept on Tuesday and Wednesday. Slept on Wednesday.
Just on Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday you came back.
Wednesday
you were here.
I was here. Thursday, now we left with our father-in-law, father to Justin. So taking our lady to school, at least to go and learn. So we went, everything was successful. She was admitted and we left her there, guys. So that's the reason some other people have been asking me, where is Happiness? So Happiness is in school now, actually. So she went to school, at least now she's learning. So we are back to our compound. Very long time, guys, since we posted. I think to my side is 13 days. Today is the 14th day.
Mine is 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Those are 14 days. Also me 14 days. But we thank God we are alive, guys. So some other things are not going the way you think they can go. So that's the reason sometimes we fail to upload videos, but we thank God we are alive, and we have to do our daily life. So today we have some 1 2 3 things to do in our compound. But first of all, we thank God for the gift of rain. So there was rains when I was away. So right now, come. So I want to sharpen my machete. There are some 1 2 3 things I want to work on at my garden. I want to release my chicks outside. But before I release them, I want to pour this maize outside so that they come when they are out. They eat. And one thing, guys, I want to count them today. Oh, you know, I failed to carry the key, or you carried. Let me bring the key there. So I want to count them. How many are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So some have run going outside up there. Popo. Popo. So let me eat a raw popo, guys. Just straight away from our field this. Sharing is caring.
Sitaki.
Ula. Can you take this?
Just eat, then I'll
Eat. This pawpaw is too sweet. It's very sweet.
This is how your mouth is.
That big.
Eh.
Na combo ya. So guys, these ones, they are creating some shade in my garden here. I want to cut them down. I use them to fence at the place there. So, wow. Lagi kote. video menani gue. Mau me arah kutir.
Hivi hama.
So, let's take this here. Diana and Chama.
Diana Jones.
Diana Jones. This one starts facing. We are trying to lock, guys, our house here usually takes trespasses to our garden, so we lock this place at least. So when we will be planting here tomorrow, maybe any day, maize, so that they don't trespass to our kitchen garden here. They're walking inside now. So guys, prevention is cure than treating, huh? So instead of me doing what, but in Shamba there is no treating, you prevent, yeah. So actually, to prevent the cows from trespassing to our garden, you have to do this. In our local, we don't have those modern things. Maybe you can put a wire mesh from up there until down there. Although we have another one that is fenced for the cows there, but this we just use local things, logs of trees and the bushes to do this. At least now our place is safeguarded. Our cows will be passing because it's not a time that they stay there grazing. So we have done this. So this one will prevent them from reaching our shamba. Also neighbors usually passes with cows here. So instead of you quarreling with neighbors, oh, don't trespass, take care of your cows, we just do this, guys, to avoid many chaos. So we've done this. Right now what I want to do is to just untie my cows, take them to go and take the water. Then we will be ending the video there. So let's go, babe. Yeah, you see now they are following the right route to home. They cannot easily trespass. So we also use some thorns to prevent them. Like this one has got thorns, so when it brings some mouth here, it will be chopped. It will be chopped, or pinched. It will be pinched with those thorns, so they just go back and do what? So we are now taking them to go and take some water, guys. At least.
Ronchisikana ndeto mahali kiravasa. Ronchisikana tu mahali kiko vasa kiko.
Machi amega butu butu mno. Tiao kera mechino chiet.
Kangen. Naburu kuba habi.
Kiuto nambo. Gua kyokopo. So guys, finally we are done, and actually now our cows are grazing. We turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. And you see cows grazing. So they are there, guys, grazing. At least we are, let's leave them. Let's call it a day for today. Chacha Steve is my YouTube channel name. Cameramani.
Camera woman. Yeah, Houston Steve is my YouTube channel name. Yeah, thank you always for subscribing to us and watching us. Let God bless you abundantly.
Yeah. Can you see my big bull how he's grazing? My big bull. This is the father of the father of the homestead. Yeah. So that's how it is, guys. So we are done, and Chacha Steve is my YouTube channel name. Consider subscribing. For today, from our side with Black Beauty.
Bye bye.